These are the new female humanoid robots for 2023. Price revealed. New and newer robots are buzzing to life every single day in this fast-paced world. As we bring you the latest ones, you will be fascinated to learn that there are many similar intelligent humanoid robots besides the world-popular Sophia. Let's begin. Number 10. Sophia, $120,000. The very first humanoid robot to be on our list is Sophia. Sophia is a humanoid human-female robot developed by Hanson Robotics based in Hong Kong. She is a sophisticated humanoid robot who can see, sustain contact, follow faces, and identify individuals. Sophia's power was turned on in February 2016, a few months after she was introduced to the world. Soon after, she became the world's first robot citizen. She was even featured on Jimmy Fallon's show. This humanoid human-female robot uses a natural language subsystem to have conversations. Her creators say she can be extremely helpful in healthcare and customer service. Although Sophia is considered the most human-like robot, she is still far from being ideal. But her physical attributes and the ability to have human-like expressions do give us a glimpse of what the future might look like. Number 9. Beomni 1.0, $67,000. An AI-enabled robot with striking similarities to Doctor Who, Beomni 1.0 assists humans with a wide-ranging general array of things, like medical services and manufacturing tasks, agriculture, etc. Beomni 1.0 was unveiled at CES 2022 and is said to be the world's first fully functional general-purpose robotic system. It is developed by a US-based firm beyond imagination and resembles a human with a form depicting a head, shoulders, waist, arms, and hands with opposable thumbs. Beomni 1.0 can lift up to 15.88 kilograms of weight per arm, exactly like a gym geek with strong biceps and triceps. It can also perform delicate tasks like pinching salts when cooking. Number 8. Ameca, $133,000. Debuting as the Future Face of Robotics, Ameca is the world's most advanced human-shaped robot representing the forefront of human robotics technology. It is designed specifically as a platform for development into future robotics technologies. In fact, she is perceived as the perfect humanoid robot platform for human-robot interaction. Ameca knows how to turn heads with her hyper-realistic facial expressions. In fact, she was seen shaking hands at the Consumer Electronics Show in 2022, giving the audience a sight to behold. Number 7. Toyota THR3, $3 million. In 2017, Toyota proclaimed its return to creating newest humanoid robots with its THR3. During that time, Toyota's partner robot division had focused less on humanoid robots and more on other robotic ventures. Its HSR, or Human Support Robot, was a robot platform with a user-friendly mobile manipulator design. These friendly and helpful robots were designed to assist in household chores and simple tasks. However, they didn't look like humans. Toyota returned to the humanoid game with its THR3, and since its feature, the bot has revealed new technologies. These include ever better mobility, precise positioning, and, in a test run, wireless operation. Moreover, it can even make drinks like a bartender. The THR3 has been designed for domestic as well as industrial use. You can operate it through a designated base with wearable controls for the system's master arms and master foot. It also has a head-mounted display through which operators can see from the robot's perspective. As a result, it allows the user to operate safely no matter where the robot is. According to Toyota, the new and improved humanoid is a do-it-all robot. Number 6. Humanoid F, $110,000. Created by Osaka University, ATR, and Kokoro in 2010, Humanoid F is the world's most attractive humanoid human-female robot. She is an android copy of a 20-something Japanese woman. She is designed to be remotely operated, can smile, frown, and change her facial expressions to mimic the operator's behavior. Japanese roboticist Hiroshi Ishiguro unveiled his latest creation on April 3, 2010, and left everyone speechless. Ishiguro's new robot, the Humanoid F, with her long dark hair and changing facial expressions, stunned people, leaving their mouth agape. In designing Humanoid F, Ishiguro's team and Kokoro engineers intended to create an android that could exhibit a wide range of natural expressions without requiring as many actuators as other androids they'd developed. Although the Humanoid F is designed to act like a human, she cannot walk and has to be wheeled around. However, her rubber skin and womanly face gives her a charming and attractive appearance. Number 5. Junko Chihira, $93,000. Known to be the best service humanoid robot, Junko Chihira tops the list of most attractive humanoid female robot. Created by Toshiba, she is a very realistic-looking android who works in a new tourist information center in Japan. Junko is a multi-talented humanoid robot. She is well-versed in Japanese, Chinese, and English. She made her debut in Aqua City Odaiba, a shopping center on Tokyo's waterfront, in November 2015. Previously, she greeted visitors as they walked in. However, she currently provides tourists with information on events occurring in the area. Junko is the successor to another Toshiba android, Aiko Chihira. Like her, Junko could respond with a scripted, preset speech in the past. She gained speech recognition capabilities in 2017 and responded to tourists' questions promptly. Number 4. Beomni, $2 million. On 24 January 2020, the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, unveiled their female humanoid robot, Beomni. Beomni is a female humanoid robot with an appearance resembling a human. She was specifically built for ISRO's first unnamed Gaganyaan mission. Beomni introduced herself in Bangalore. She is the prototype for a half-humanoid who was designed to fly to space on an unnamed mission in 2020. ISRO's major aim behind developing her was to lay the ground for their manned mission Gaganyaan in 2022. After flying to space, Beomni was aimed to test systems in the crew module meant for the survival and safe travel of the Indian astronauts in 2022. So far, Beomni has already earned her title of being the best space explorer humanoid robot. Number 3. Atlas, $1 million. Atlas, termed as the world's most dynamic humanoid, was created to assist humans in dangerous tasks such as search and rescue missions. It was developed by American robotics company Boston Dynamics. The humanoid robot was funded by the U.S. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA. Although introduced in 2013, Atlas's actual capabilities came to light in 2017. It is 1.8 meters or 6 feet tall and is known to perform amazing backflips. In the past few years, it has undergone various changes, including some updates. Atlas was also seen performing a floor routine similar to gymnasts in a video released on September 24, 2019. Number 2. Ameca Robot by IRL, $110,000. Ameca, another attractive humanoid robot, made her debut in 2015. She is an advanced android designed as a platform to study human-robot interaction. She not only understands natural language, but has a synthesized human-like voice and can display a variety of facial expressions. Ameca actually stands for Erato Intelligent Conversational Android. In 2016, a portrait of her, sketched by Maija Tammi, a Finnish photographer, secured third place in the UK National Portrait Gallery competition. Ameca's features include using natural dialogue and motion generation capabilities. With her ultra-realistic human-like appearance, her facial expressions and gesture motions make her appear very humanly. In fact, while listening, Ameca blinks and moves her head just like a human. Number 1. Pepper by SoftBank, $1,800. Introduced to the world in 2014, Pepper is a semi-humanoid robot by SoftBank Robotics and has been designed with the ability to read emotions. Pepper was showcased in SoftBank mobile phone stores in Japan during the initial days of its debut. The humanoid robot's ability to recognize emotion is based on the detection and analysis of facial expressions and voice tones. However, Pepper's production was paused in June 2021 due to less demand. Pepper has been specifically designed to interact with humans. Standing 120 centimeters tall, the robot perceives his environment without any troubles and can participate in a conversation upon seeing a human. It has a touchscreen on its chest, which displays content to highlight messages and support speech. Moreover, its curvy design ensures danger-free use and a high level of acceptance by users. That's all for this video, folks. See you another time.